Hi there, today we are going to create a books list app, Angular app using Ngrx. So the book list will get the book list from API, Open Library API. And there are two types, all books and your favorites. If you can add a favorite, you click on favorites button and you can add it to your favorites. So the state management using Ngrx. So Ngrx is global state management library for Angular application, inspired by Redux. So the key concept include actions, which is describe unique events that dispatch from either your components, like you have book list components, and it can have the like you have book list components, and it can have, for example, if you click you click on the add favorite, which can have this is an action of add favorite, like add favorite, which is action. You create action by this. You can see this is the component, which is called book list, and add favorite, which is action name, and it can have props of book ID, which is type of string, and the state change, like when you have this book list component, it has stage. While you load the book list from the API, which is which is like say the state of books. You have books states, which has the books collection, books array, and you have favorites array. And when you have this page, when you're calling side effects, when like you're calling side effects is like you're calling API, you're making API calls, fetching from server or sending data to API using fetch or similar calls, which has it's a side effects, and then you can have your book list components. These book list components, and they can have a status, the state of folder status, which is loading. All the side effect can have error, and that's the states of loading is fully, or error is string or now, or no error. So that's your states. The state changer handled by pure function called reducer. So the pure function, which is because you have the effects, which is doing the side effects like calling API, but the pure function always produce the same of output for the same input and no side effects. That's you have a pure function called reducer. I take the current state and the latest action to compute a new state. For example, like when you file load book success action, and you take the parameter of the state current state and the books as a parameter, and it will calculate the spreading the current state, and it will say the loading set to false because the load book success, and the new state take the parameter books and return the states book. Use the new state with the will be replaced by the parameter states, a parameter variable of books. The calculate the to compute a new state, and your component, like your book list component, it will get the, because your component is reactive, it will have a books variable which is observable of books, and this is get by the selector, and the selector also a pure function. It's like the fill function of select is used to select and derive the and compose piece of the it get the states from star, and can you select, derive, or compose and get the states you need. For example, our book list component, you will get the books states from the book selector, and we will select the books, and for example the loading we will by book selector, and which is the select loading selector, and explore this select loading, which is use the function and pass the select book state, the states, which is by create feature selector, and you get the state which individual state which you want, and the state is accessed with the star. The star is like a container. It contains the states for your Angular. It's global container. The container states for your different components, and it's a central place. Different contents will access to the central place of states container, and observable states and observable actions. So the consumer of the states is your components, and so you can see the components. For example, this is our book list components. The book list components. So in the constructor, you get the observable from the selector, and on init, when you initialize the components, and you will dispatch the action of load books. This load books, which will have a set effect. So you have effect, you have effects. Let's say when this action load books, and they need to call the API, they use effects, and you effects, which will say you have load books effects, and that when you call the API using the books use service, and it will pick up the action of load books and will fire it trigger the book service get books and return that the it will fire the notebook success action and the parameter passed by the parameter of the books which you get from the book service. Here is the that effects she used to handle the side effects, and the side effects calls to the service. The service call to the API, return data from the API to the service, and the service return the data, the payload to the effects. For example, our effects is notebook success, and the notebook success it take the props of books and the reducer calculated states will set the loading to false, set the books array to the parameter returned by the service. And so your component only deal with the Ngrx star, and it will not that directly going call the side effect function. The side effect function is actually encapsulated in the effects. Effects deal with the service. And so you can see your component is book list component. You can fire the action like load books, and the load books will fire a will that will goes to the effects. The effects call the service and return date to the effect, and effect return this to the action, and the action which use reducer to calculate the new states. New states will change the states in the central place to store the state container, and use the selector to get the state from the star and return to your component. That's the Ngrx. Let's say your book list. You have actions like you define the events. Effects is like load books. Is that you're doing the side effects, and the reducer calculate your states, new states. Selector get the states from the store, and you have the states. You define the states. You have initial states. Your service will like for example call to the API, and your book list will fire the action, and it will get the states from using the selector. So that's basically simply the Ngrx.